two poi, and instead of stalling them back behind you, stall them between your legs. And then they'll come up underhand. And now you're gonna do the same thing. You're underhand like this, and you stall between your legs from behind, and you come to overhand. So it's a front stall to under the leg, and a back stall to under the leg. Your right hand's your weaker hand, so let's do your right hand. You're gonna come from behind and just stick your hand back behind you. As it's coming over the top of the turn, bring your hand around behind and stall. So when you just did it, you did this, where you came up and you wrapped and you like tapped on yourself. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to do the stalls without hitting your body. And then what I want you to try and do is imagine there's a piece of plexiglass right here in the midline of your body, and each poi stalls on its own side.